Hi guys and welcome to my channel Carnival of Creativity. Today I'm going to be filming a what I got for Christmas haul for you. I hope you guys all had a really Merry Christmas and got everything that you wanted. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and without further ado I'm going to hop right into it. So I think I'm going to start with the small things. I've kind of been grouping things as I went along into what I got and things like that. So the first thing, I just want to look in this box. Oh, crumbs. I got was, let's get everything out that I got from my friend. So the first thing I got was this little, I guess it's a set, but a set that she made in her own gift box. It was a original Champhy's, a well-earned treat. I think it's a shower gel. I really love the packaging on this. She even said that she got it, like made her decisions of what to get me purely on the packaging because she knows me so well. And the next one is a White Lily and Damask Rose body scrub. I'm really loving the like muted pink at the moment as well, so it looks pretty. And then this last one, again, really cool packaging. It like goes together at the bottom, a bit like a jewel. And this is a Ted Baker London body spray, fragrance blushed pink as well. The next thing I got, this one, is this cinnamon clove or an orange White Company candle. I do actually know what this smells like because we got these given these at work. And someone else opened theirs and I had a smell of it as well. So yeah, that's a really lovely candle. I love the packaging again on this. It looks like a little house illustration. I'm going to say that for a special occasion. You're now going to hear loads of background noise because Bear has decided that he has to come in here whilst I'm filming, and he has a crinkly noisy toy which he got for Christmas. So maybe he's joining in on this Christmas haul. Who knows? Then I also got a £20 Amazon gift voucher. What else did I get? A Colour Contour Naked Colours palette, and this is actually a really pretty palette. It's an Eye and Cheek colour palette. I can't open it. And it is filled with colours that please me. Nice neutrals. So yeah, I got that one. Then this is just gonna go crazy with everything. I got this pen which does actually say Joy on it. It took me a minute to figure out what it said, but it does say Joy on it. And it's a pen. I got that from work. I got these two photo coasters which you can put your own photos in, as well as I actually got £60 in TK Maxx vouchers, but I've already put one in my purse to spend it. This thing is absolutely genius. I absolutely love it. It's a craft and hobby tray, so it just goes on your lap like this. And it has a little light which you can face down on your work to do whatever you're going to do. And I really love the design on this one as well. It's like this bluey floral pattern. It's really pretty. Then shimmying on into the big bag, so first thing I got is a massive tub of Haribo rings. Then I also got this absolutely lovely jumper. I've already worn it. It's already got a stain on it which I need to try and wash out, but I purposely didn't put it in the wash so it could feature in this haul. Again with this muted blush sort of pink colour. I guess this is more actually baby pink. And it's got a seam running down the middle which I really love that detailing on. And it's just a really nice soft jumper. It's an M&S one. And yeah, that's a really nice one. Then I also got this grey coat. I don't know where this is from. Oh, this is from Wallace. So it's just a nice, really warm, waterproof coat. It's got a fur hood, and then it's also got some buckle detail which you can fasten up across the neck as well if you wish. Pockets, of course, and detailing around the wrist as well. And the cuffs on this are so nice. They're like really nice and warm. What to choose next? Then I also got a, I think this was an accessorise, actually it was wrapped up. Yeah, it's got an accessorised label on it. Oh, a snood that's cream and gold. It's like woven together. It's really nice, really warm as well. I got loads, and I mean loads of Lindor. I've already eaten one of the mini boxes of Lindor because I couldn't help myself. But then I also got a big box of Lindor and a selection tray of Lindor as well. I love Lindor, so I don't know how everybody knew this, because it's not like this is a public knowledge type thing that I love Lindor, but hey ho. Then Brad got me, I love them honestly, he got me a Princess Wish ring from Pandora. It's not going to focus, is it? Yes it is. Princess Wish ring from Pandora. 2 necklaces, one of which I am actually wearing at the moment. Oh, hold on. Which is, hold on, where's the stone gone? This one, so it's got my star constellation on this bit and then my birthstone there on this bit as well, and it's just really pretty. The other one, hold on, let me find the box, the right box even. Aha. Oh. Whoa. How am I going to do that? A little lovebirds necklace as well. These were all handmade by a local jeweller, I guess. She makes some beautiful necklaces, and I saw them I actually saw them at a fair, and sort of messaged Brad like, hint, nudge, this is what I want. So yeah, he got me those. And then I got some jelly beans, which I also really love. A set of bath bombs. Some Love to Shop vouchers. I think I got like £30 in Love to Shop vouchers as well. Those are in my purse as well. A lovely selection of like stationery from Brad's mum. So there's this one first of all, which is sort of like a Filofax, because she knows how much I love my bullet journal, I guess. So inside it's got these lovely dividers, as well as the weekly spreads as well. And the front cover is like this embossed sort of floral pattern in grey as well. So, love it. Then she also got me the matching weekly planner as well. This is just a desk planner that has each day of the week in it, just so you can plan with it, as well as a creative journal, which is so pretty, and the pages inside are like really different. So it's got some lined pieces of paper like this one, but then it's also got graph paper, and what other paper have we got? Hold on. Blank paper. Dotty paper. There's so many different types of paper in it, like normal generic lined paper, and it's just a really pretty book. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to use this for yet, but I'm sure I will figure it out because it is such a beautiful notebook, like literally. Right, next thing I got was some wine gums. Then I also got, oh my, I had to put everything in a black bag because it was all in a glittery gift bag, but it was stressing Brad out that it was getting glitter everywhere. So to save the moaning, I just put the glitter bag in the bin and put it all in a black bag, which now makes it really difficult to get stuff out of. I also got a simple skincare set. So this has got a kind to eyes makeup remover, a micellar cleansing water and a hydrating light moisturiser, as well as a wash bag, I do believe. Yeah, a wash bag as well. Then I've got this boxed gift, so it came in a box like that, and then inside again, people just know how much I love notebooks and planners, like literally. Oh, I can't get this out. It's this notebook that says Dream Big, Sparkle More, Shine Bright, with a pen on the side, and this is just a lined notebook. Put it back in its pretty box. This is covered in glitter as well, and this box doesn't even have any glitter on it, so there you go. Proof there was glitter in the vicinity. This actually had my Amazon gift card in it, however Brad decided it would be a good place to put my earrings that I got given. Don't ask me why, but these ones are for accessorise as well. They've got some really pretty ones as well, so I shall, ooh, I want those black, I might put some of those on in a minute, just to switch it up a bit. Yes, I think I shall. So, earrings. Where else did I get to? A like thermos water bottle. It goes, keeps drinks hot for up to 12 hours or cold for 24 hours. It's 500 ml capacity, and it is a silver one. Me and Brad both got one of those. Then I've got some hair clips, this one, and I absolutely love this one. It's like my coppery one that I've got as well. So I'm definitely going to be using this like on the daily basis. I love it so much. And then I also got some more like hair clip, like big ones, and some highlighter makeup stuff as well. So I did really well this Christmas. Like, I got so much stuff, to the point where I don't know where I'm going to put it all, but hey ho, I will figure that out, I'm sure. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, and I wish you all a very happy new year, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!